In the dynamic world of aerial imaging, compact drones have carved out a crucial space. These flying cameras, often light enough to skip aviation registration in many countries, are the backbone of a fast-growing community of creators, adventurers, and professionals. And now, the next evolution is on the horizon, an ultralight drone poised to raise the bar across every category: power, precision, and portability. With recent leaks, regulatory filings, and credible whispers from inside the drone industry, the highly anticipated successor to one of the most popular sub-250G drones is almost ready to take flight. Let's take an in-depth look at what this groundbreaking piece of tech is likely to offer, and why it's already causing a stir among hobbyists and professionals alike. A glimpse behind the curtain. Signs of an imminent launch. The buzz began. Subtly a test unit, spotted mid-flight, then a quiet appearance in official regulatory databases. For seasoned tech followers, these signs usually point to one thing: an imminent release. Recent documentation filed with authorities responsible for communication and aviation oversight revealed that the new drone has cleared certain approval processes, signaling that mass production and market preparation are already underway. These filings typically precede a consumer launch by a few months, giving enthusiasts a rough but reliable timeline. Based on historical patterns and corroborating reports from insiders, the official announcement is expected toward the end of summer, aligning perfectly with the fall release window that this product line has traditionally favored. Imaging, powerhouse in a miniature frame. Perhaps the most exciting rumors circling this release relate to its camera system. According to multiple industry analysts and leakers, the drone will feature a dramatically upgraded imaging sensor, potentially a 1-inch CMOS, up from the 1.3 sensor used in the previous generation. This is more than just a spec bump. Larger sensors mean more surface area to gather light, leading to improved low-light performance, higher detail retention, and better dynamic range. Essentially, it allows the drone to see more and capture more, especially in dusk, dawn, or overcast conditions where smaller sensors tend to falter. The upgrade would bring the drone closer to mirrorless-level quality, all while retaining the compact form factor that makes it ideal for travel, remote shoots, or social content creation. Expect vibrant, true-to-life color grading, less digital noise, and higher quality footage straight out of the camera. Built for the new age creator. One of the defining features of modern content production is the vertical format. From YouTube Shorts to TikTok to Instagram Reels, vertical video is no longer a niche format. It's the default for millions of daily viewers. That's why it's particularly exciting that the next-gen mini drone is expected to support native vertical shooting. Rather than rotating footage after capture, users will be able to film vertical content directly, saving time in post-production and increasing efficiency for fast-paced social media workflows. This feature isn't just a convenience, it's a deliberate move to support creators on platforms where vertical storytelling dominates. Combined with cinematic flight modes and intuitive control options, this new format could open the door to dynamic, engaging aerial videos that look tailor-made for modern audiences. Staying in the sky longer than ever. Flight time has always been a balancing act. Literally, the trade-off between battery capacity and weight is particularly crucial for sub-250G drones, where going even 1 gram over can subject the pilot to regulatory headaches. This next-generation model seems to be rewriting the rules. Leaked technical details and government filings point toward a significantly more efficient battery system. Some sources even suggest flight times that push the 50-minute mark, a dramatic leap from the 30 to 35 minutes offered by previous iterations. Such an extension would position the new drone among the longest-lasting aircraft in its class, enabling more ambitious flight plans, less battery juggling, and a smoother shooting experience, especially for solo pilots or field operators who don't want to carry multiple battery packs. Whether you're filming remote landscapes or scouting real estate, the ability to fly longer without interruptions changes the game. Navigating with intelligence. Next-level obstacle avoidance. Safety has always been a cornerstone of aerial drone innovation, and the upcoming model appears ready to introduce a new frontier in collision prevention. Rumors point to the integration of a LiDAR-based obstacle detection system, a first for drones in the ultra-lightweight category. If true, this would mean significantly enhanced spatial awareness, allowing the drone to more accurately sense and respond to its environment. LiDAR. Light detection and ranging technology uses laser pulses to measure distances with high precision. When paired with traditional visual sensors, this allows the drone to operate safely in low light or visually complex environments like forests, cityscapes, or indoor arenas. It would also provide a confidence boost to newer pilots who might otherwise be hesitant to fly in tight or obstacle-rich spaces. This smart sensor suite could make the drone as intuitive and safe as it is powerful. Going the distance. Advanced transmission range has always been a limiting factor in drone use. Whether it's a casual beach shoot or a search and rescue mission, losing connection can derail your entire flight. The new Mini drone appears set to address that with a vastly extended control and video transmission range. Leaks suggest a jump to an astonishing 25 kilometers under ideal conditions. While real-world scenarios may result in shorter effective ranges, even a fraction of this improvement could revolutionize drone use in expansive environments. Photographers and filmmakers exploring mountains, coastlines, or wide-open plains will appreciate the ability to frame and shoot subjects from farther away, without compromising control or video quality. Keeping it legal. The importance of staying under 250 GA. Key reason this drone line has enjoyed massive success is its compliance with global regulatory thresholds. By keeping its takeoff weight under 250 grams, the drone avoids many of the registration and licensing hurdles imposed on heavier models in countries like the US, Canada, and across the EU. Maintaining this classification means more users can fly straight out of the box. No red tape required. That's particularly attractive to casual pilots, travel creators, and younger users who want a plug-and-play experience without navigating a maze of government paperwork. Of course, new regulations still require all drones to broadcast identification data while flying, a measure aimed at increasing public safety and accountability. The new model is expected to be compliant with these rules out of the box, offering seamless integration with updated identification protocols, accessories, and ecosystem expansion with each new hardware release. A wave of accessories typically follows. Expect a full ecosystem designed to complement the new drone: extra propellers, extended life batteries, charging hubs, carrying cases, ND filters, and smart controllers. Industry insiders predict a 10 to 15% bump in accessory sales following this release, based on historical trends from similar product launches. Given the drone's appeal to both casual and professional markets, these accessories will likely cater to a wide range of use cases from cinematic filmmaking to industrial inspections. The ecosystem isn't just about add-ons, it's a reflection of how the device integrates into workflows, lifestyles, and commercial applications. Competitive pressure and market dynamics. This release doesn't exist in a vacuum. Competitors are ramping up their own compact drone efforts, some even partnering with well-known optics brands to close the quality gap. However, the upcoming drone's rumored combination of smart features, camera quality, and regulatory advantage could help it maintain a decisive edge at a projected price point that's competitive with existing offerings in the premium compact drone category. It's poised to attract not only upgraders from earlier models but also first-time buyers looking for a future-proof investment. The future, now in your backpack with this next-generation mini drone. We could be witnessing a turning point in how aerial tech fits into everyday creativity. It's no longer just about hobbyists, it's about filmmakers, real estate agents, search teams, social media influencers, environmental researchers, and everyone in between. The formula is clear. Take professional-grade features, wrap them in a user-friendly shell, and make it legal and lightweight enough for nearly anyone to fly. If early reports are accurate, this new ultra-compact drone will deliver on all three counts and then some. Stay tuned, a new era of flight might be only weeks away.